before, and if it's a young leading lady, lagi kong naiisip si Catherine Bernardo. So, I like her color, I like her face, her beauty, and I just like kung ano yung in-exude niya dun sa mga shows niya. So, Daniel is very lucky na.
Technically, na-hold mo siya dahil siya si Ina sa remake.
Oo nga, no? So ano tayo? Nagbe-meta-meta tayo dito.
Yes, meta-meta.
Meta-meta, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Okay.
So, kaya ano, ba't idikit mo yung old pangako sa'yo sa new pangako sa'yo, no? Parang mag-CG ka na nag-i-eksena kami dalawa. That would be cool. Do it, do it.
Oo, nagandaan daw po ba kayo kay Catherine? Kasi yun po yung pinag-uusapan last.
The last vlog dun kasi tinanong ka, parang hindi ba tinanong, and then made you bida-bida sa
I love you, Direk.
parang imposibleng kasi you adore Catherine.
No, I find Kat beautiful. As in, I
Yeah,
think
which,
she's one of the prettiest faces in show business, in my opinion. And people ask me, wow, talaga? And yes, I really think Catherine is one of the prettiest faces. And she's not just a pretty face, but a beautiful personality. She's very, very nice. And we were shooting this scene, no? We took a long time to shoot. And I was telling Direk, parang her eyes draw you inside.
Totoo yan.
No?
Even sa trailer, nakaka-achieve.
She's such a refreshing, very refreshing look.
Ganda ng mata niyan.
And I really like very Pinay looking beauty, kumbaga.
What do you know of them now than before? Kasi di ba?
Before, I thought they were just, okay, Kat, Neil, ganito, they're this love team everybody loves. And I wasn't really a fan, I was just, normal. But after working with them, after working with Kat, I am a legit Kathy, I promise you. These two people have so much love, so much magic, so much passion with each other that it makes you happy. Talaga, it makes you smile. Iba I don't know about you, Derek, but me, seeing DJ and Kat together makes me smile. This is a serious fact, no? Parang it's different. The way they look at each other, the way they touch each other, iba.
Nakikita mo kasi sarili mo so much in love, gano'n. And
Meron ka bang crush sa showbiz? Grabe!
Si Catherine.
Naranasan mo na crushes, you know.
Opo, syempre, I guess we all go through it naman.
That's right.
Yeah.
Kanino?
Tingin ko alam na nilang lahat si Ate Catherine Bernardo.
Oh.
Sinong gusto mo mapapanood?
Marami po nagtatanong yan sa akin. Ang sagot ko po dyan ay Catherine Bernardo.
Hopefully. Kasi po, biggest crush ko po siya talaga sa mga Philippine actresses. Si Catherine po talaga. Ever since day one, Catherine Bernardo. She's amazing. Sobrang galing kong umarte and she's beautiful. At saka kasi po, ito kwento ko lang po sa inyo. Kasi nung nag-taping po ako first time sa Philippines, nung nakita ko si Catherine in person sa Laguna Sangre on set, parang tumigil yung mundo ko eh. Parang nung nakita ko po siya, I was so starstruck nung time na yun.
Makatabaho. Sa babae naman
Catherine Bernardo po kasi sobrang cute niya po talaga pag nag-acting po. So yun, Catherine Bernardo.
Okay, thank you.
Sino yung mga showbiz crush niyo? Simulan natin sa'yo.
Totoo daw kasi nasi-sense nila pag showbiz yung sagot.
Ay, ganun.
Yan, totoo.
Alam namin yung pag sino-showbiz na kami.
Madami eh. Isa po sa mga talagang nilulook up ko si Catherine Bernardo. So yun po.
Parang mali.
Bakit? Bakit?
Mababasa niya yung article kasi di mo siya binanggit.
Oh, sino ba yan?
Ha? Delay.
Ako tuwing tinatanong yan, Catherine Bernardo talaga. Kasi since bata ako, going bulilit pa lang, Catherine Bernardo talaga.
Ako po same ng kay RJ na kay Gabs eh. Catherine Bernardo po talaga.